guys, welcome back to the video. So the reason I haven't been posting for a while is because school started and we got a dog. And his name is Teddy and he's right here with me. Teddy, look. Yeah, he's like, what's happening? So this video is going to be about Teddy. Because we got him, how many months ago?
4.
Yeah, we got him 4 months ago. So now he's 4 months. Yeah, you 4 months, big boy. So once we got him, he was like so small. His tail was bigger than him. So yeah. And the first time he went in our car, he actually was like whining because he didn't want to leave. Baby, what's wrong? Do you need to go pee? So right now he's going pee, so I have to get him. So I'll be right back here. I don't want to leave. So he's outside now. See, he's outside playing in the snow, eating it. Okay, so the reason I wanted to do it about Teddy is because he's the only person that hasn't been on our YouTube channel. This is the first video with him. So that's why I wanted to do this video about him. So yeah. Hold up, she wants to come back in. Coming, Teddy, let's go. Come on. It is snowing where we are, so my dog's cold and freezing. I mean, he's not freezing. He loves being covered in snow. It's just he's wet, but that's not a concern either because he loves getting wet. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, we are gonna do a little bit. So, let's go, Teddy. Let's go. Let's go, Teddy. Let's go. Come here. So, yeah, he's just sticking around with my mom. Okay, so, yeah. Okay. So, so we're gonna do a thing what Teddy likes. Because I know what he likes. My mom knows what he likes. Everyone knows what he likes. So, Teddy, come here. Or I'll just go to you, okay? Come here. He's like, hell no. You gonna come now? Yes. So, Teddy looks like this. He's a golden retriever, about 4 months old. Right? Yeah, he's 4 months old. Okay. So the first thing he likes is treats. Yeah, I love treats. And so, yeah. And what? He loves my mom. He loves me. He loves my dad. He loves my brother. He loves water. He loves milk. He basically loves anything a dog can eat. So, today I gave him his first lick of whipped cream. His first time trying whipped cream. He said it was good. He wanted more, but no. So, this is where I'm gonna end the video. He's like, no, don't end the video. I got it, boy. Once he heard me say, I gotta end the video, he's like, hell no, boy. And try. So he doesn't want to end the video for some reason. Okay, so now I can go because he's busy. So bye, guys. Oh, and yeah, did I say the reason that we haven't been posting? Oh yeah, I did. Okay, bye.